おうちでミルキー Milky at home! 下総山
Hi! Good morning! This is Didi Sensei of Milky Way Shimosa Nakayama branch. Just the other day, I passed by the park near our place. I saw kids running and playing around without any mask. So I decided to make this video on how to make a simple mask, a no-sew mask. The only material you need is a piece of cloth or a handkerchief, like this one, and two kitchen rubber band, this one. And this is how you make it. Come on kids, let's do this. Now you have the material, handkerchief or any piece of cloth, and two kitchen rubber band. This is how you do it. Fold it into half. Then press. Take note of the middle part. Then open it again. Then hold the edges. Put it in the middle part where your markings are. And press. Do it on the other side. See to it that it's aligned. And press. And then what you're gonna do is hold on to the edges again and do it edge to edge. And press. Now kids, do you follow? Good. Now we are going to make 3 folds. 1, 2, 3. Now, look at the markings here. Then open it again. Then on your markings, you put the rubber band on the markings. Here. And then, open the other one and do the same. See the markings there. Then fold it. The other part, you should insert inside the folded other part. So you have to make an opening. Open it like that with a hole. Then put the other side inside. See to it that it's flattened. So it won't break away. Now you have your no-sew mask. Now let's put it on. See? Very easy. Did you get it, kids? Now next time you go out with your mom or just play outside in the park, make sure that you have your mask. Good? Are we good? Okay, bye-bye for now. See you soon.
channel